No, no, it can't be. It hit the stop loss. What happened?
Are you okay?
I wish I knew this before I place my first trade.
What's up, traders? Welcome back to the Trading Jagabon, the channel where we break down the markets without hype, without lies, and without selling dreams. Today's video is titled, What I Wish I Knew Before Placing My First Trade. And trust me, if someone had sat me down and told me the things I'm about to share in this video, I would have saved years of frustration, blown accounts, emotional stress, and wasted money. So, whether you're a complete beginner, someone about to place your first forex trade, or a trader who's struggling and wondering, why is this so hard? This video is for you. Let's get into it. 1. Forex. Trading is not quick money. The very first thing I wish I knew is this. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Social media made it look easy. Cars, laptops, screenshots of profits, flip $50 to $5,000 in 1 week. What I didn't understand then was that those images don't show losses, emotions, or years of learning. Forex trading is a skill, just like medicine engineering. Sports and skills take time, repetition, and failure. If you come into Forex expecting fast money, the market will humble you. Fast. 2. Knowledge comes before profit. Before my first trade, I wish I truly understood that. Your job is not to make money first, your job is to learn how the market works. Most beginners jump straight to indicators, signals, buy or sell, but they skip market structure, why price moves. Who is actually moving the market without knowledge? Every trade becomes guessing, not trading. You must understand why price goes up, why price goes down. Why price consolidates profit is simply a byproduct of understanding. 3. Risk management is everything. This one right here almost ended my trading journey. You can be right and still lose your account if your risk management is bad. Before my first trade, I didn't understand lot size, risk to reward ratio. Percentage risk per trade, I was risking too much because I wanted fast money. Here's the truth. Professional traders focus on protecting capital beginners. Focus on making money you should never risk, money you can't afford to lose. More than 1 to 2% of your account per trade, if you survive long enough in the market, profit will come. 4. Trading is more psychology than strategy. This shocked me. Trading is about 80% psychology and 20% strategy. Before my first trade, I thought, if my strategy is good, I'll win. Wrong. I didn't know about fear. Greed. Overtrading revenge. Trading your mind will. Close winning trades too early. Hold losing trades too long. Make you break your rules if you can't control yourself. You can't control your trading. 5. Losses are part of the game. One of the hardest lessons. Losses don't mean you're bad at trading. Before my first trade, I thought, every loss means I'm failing. But losses are tuition fees, data points feedback from the market. Even professional traders lose trades. The goal is not to win every trade. The goal is to be profitable over many trades. 6. Backtesting and practice matter more than live trading. I wish I spent more time here. Demo trading and backtesting are not a waste of time. Before my first trade, I rushed to go live. But demo trading helps you understand your strategy, build confidence, reduce emotional mistakes. You don't learn swimming by jumping into deep water. 7. Simple strategies work better than complicated ones. Another mistake I made, more indicators don't mean more profit. I was using RSIMA CD Bollinger Bands. Moving averages all on one chart, it only led to confusion. The best traders use clean charts, clear rules, simple confirmations. Clarity beats complexity every time. 8. Consistency beats. Excitement forex is boring when done right. If trading feels exciting, you're probably gambling. Consistency comes from following rules, taking quality trades, avoiding overtrading. Slow growth is sustainable growth. Final advice. If I could talk to my beginner self before my first trade, I'd say this. Respect the process, protect your capital, control your emotions, and never stop learning. Forex trading rewards: patience, discipline, humility. If you stay long enough and learn properly, the market will pay you. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the Trading Jagabon Drop a comment saying, "I'm ready to learn." I'll see you in the next one.
I wish I knew this before I place my first trade.
No, no, it can't be. It hit the stop floss. What happened?
Are you okay?
That's enough. I want everyone's attention right now. We have a serious problem.
I wish I knew this before I placed my first trade.